So how the fuck can someone turn $8 into 400 bucks? Alright, so this trade was not taken by me, but I did help him place it. It is my cameraman Julian. Alright, that's Julian. Alright, so he thought that American Airlines was gonna go up. We'll talk about it in the charts and see what indications it gave. And he was like, "Yo, I only got $8." I was like, "Look, I can like you can place options, and you don't have to like you can win a lot of money with $8. You can make probably like close to $30." I never in the slightest thought he would make $370 or $400 with $8. I When he told me he made 370, I was blown out. I was like, "What the So he sent me the screenshot because I was like, "Yo, I gotta see the proof." And so here's the screenshot. So he logged into his Robinhood account so we can show the proof that it's actually real, and how he could have predicted this trade and how you could have like caught this trade also. Um, so yeah, this was a, if I'm not wrong, a like 5,000% change, or yeah, 5,000% change, which is crazy. Like when he told me to place the option for him, I was like, I'll place it. He'll like if it goes his way, he'll probably win $28, $32 max. I I literally did not think it would go to 370 bucks. Alright, so we'll talk about how like you can get to 370, um, how the strike price works, how he caught the move, and how this all happened. Alright, as you guys can see, um, here's his portfolio. Today he had a 2,000% increase, which means he gained $355 and in profit, which brings his total to $373. He only had $11 in his account when he started, when he placed this trade. So he made close to $362 profit, if I'm not mistaken. So you see here, the day started, he was $80. Let's take it back to a week, so you guys can see. As you guys can see, he had $11.72. Right? He placed this bet on June 2nd, and he let it ride it out. On June 3rd, he was $18 profit, and then on June 4th, it skyrocketed. At 9:50 a.m., he was already $85 profit. At 10:50, he was already $200 profit, and at 2:40, he was $510 profit. Um, he completely forgot about this trade, so I had to call him and be like, "Oh, how's your your American Airlines stock doing?" And he was like, "Oh, let me check," and he started screaming because he couldn't believe it. So yeah, it was $370 profit. I'll put up the messages right now. You can see American Airlines on June 2nd, 10:03 a.m. You can see that he bought one contract of American Airlines for a 12:50 call that ended at June 5th at an average of $8 per contract. You can see that today at 3:07 June 4th at 3:07 p.m. he sold his contract of American Airlines at 12:50 call at a minimum of $3 per share. If you multiply that by 100, it's $370 per share, as you can see down here. $370 per contract. That order was complete, so he profited $370. So how did this work? All right, let's go to the American Airlines stock real quick. Okay. Let's go to the 1 week because he placed it June 2nd at 10 a.m. So let's go to 10 real quick. At 10, it was at $11, right? That's what he bought it for. His strike price was 12.50. So 12.50 around um let's say 9:30 a.m. on June 4th. So today. That's when he hit his strike price. So let's go real quick. So his strike price was 12.50, right? Minus what he sold it for. He sold it at 3:50 p.m. So um for $16.14. So minus 16 and 14 cents equals 364. So let's go 3.64 times 100 because one option is 100 contracts. Oh my bad. Hold up. Delete that real quick. It he profited $364 plus the $8 he originally invested. So how did he catch this trade? Let's go to the trading view real quick. As you guys can see, American Airlines was on a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows, and it broke this area, this downtrend, May 22nd, right? So May 22nd, May 26th, and May 27th, it was going up as um it should after breaking the trend line, but you would have to wait for the retest, which happened during this period, right? So if we go to the 1 hour time frame, this right here, let me highlight it. This right here would have been the retest. So it came back down, and buyers in the market didn't let it go all the way down into the previous trend line. So it started making higher highs and higher lows, which he entered around, let's see, where was it? So around this candlestick he entered. He rode it all the way up. So here. Will American Airlines keep going up? We'll have to see. But in my opinion, I don't think so, because you see this big extension wick here, you see this big extension wick here and down here, and you see a bullish candle with not very extension up here, not a lot of extension up here. Plus, if we put a line here, so here, you can see that there's previous area of support. Previous area of resistance here. So what would we have to do to trade again? Uh, if you think it will go up, then you'll have to wait for this to go up, break this area of resistance, then come back down for the resistance. For the retest, my bad. So let's give it. So it would go up, break the area of resistance, then come back down for the retest, and then go back up. So we would have to enter, or we could enter anywhere from here or here, if it breaks this area of resistance. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you guys that quick trade. It was crazy. I'm still amazed that that happened. Like I literally never thought that would be able to happen. That also goes to show you guys that you don't need a big account. He only had $11 in his account, and he in 3 days or 2 days flipped it to almost $400. So it goes to show you that you don't need $1,000 portfolio or $1,000 trading account to make money trading. Just know the basics, know the fundamentals, like what's resistance, what's support, what a reversal sign is, and all of those type of things, and you'll be good to go. This type of trading is called a scalp trading, which is when you take a trade and hold it for several days. So so you see that you think that it will go up, but you're not sure how long it'll take. You'll take more time than you think. So let's say you used a 3 week to a month expiration on your option, and then you'll hold that trade for however long you feel comfortable with. So he felt comfortable with holding it for 2 days and locking in profits, or he could have waited longer to see if it went up and made even more profit. It all depends on what type of trader you are or what you mostly feel comfortable with. So it all depends on the type of person. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a really weird one for me, and he's very pleased for it. Obviously, who would not be happy winning $400 with just investing $8? That's insane. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys in the next video, and stay safe.